ready for action. Nip it in the bud, we never relaxing. Outcast is everlasting, not clashing, not at all. But see, my nigga went to do a little acting. Now that's for anyone asking. Give me one pass.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to another episode of 365 Minutes in 2010 with Ben. Today is day 340. And you know, over the last 3 years or so in my personal life, I've been in a big change, evolution, if you will, changing from being one person to being, I would say, more of that person. And it's interesting because there are days that I really dig that, and then there are days where I absolutely can't stand that because growth is not fun. Oftentimes it's very uncomfortable. It can leave you feeling very insecure, sometimes kind of lost. But today was a good day, and it was a day where I really was digging who I am and digging my evolution, and being glad that while that evolution is not complete, I'm starting to see a little bit more light at the end of the tunnel. And for me, that's been a lot about what 2010 has been, trying to keep my eyes focused on the little light at the end of the tunnel. But I think that we all need to dig our own evolution, not judge ourselves too quickly, but keep moving to our own personal groove. That's my 60 seconds today, y'all. Peace.
Take a deep breath and exhale. Your ex-girlfriend, boyfriend was boring as hell. Well, let me listen to the story you tell, and we can make moves like a person in jail on the low.